It's time to understand the sentence. A sentence is a group of words that make a complete thought. Look at the picture. Here are some group of words. Ball, the, dog, the, cat. These are group of words. When these group of words join together, then these make a complete sentence and convey complete sentence is the dog caught the ball. Remember one thing, a simple sentence always has a subject and a verb. For example, the cat purred. Cat is subject, purred is verb. So it's a complete sentence. Rules for making sentence. Number 1. It starts with a capital letter. Number 2. It has a finger spaces between each word. Number 3. It ends with a full stop. Number 4. It makes sense when you read it. Is it a sentence? Tick for yes, cross for no. Number 1. I live in. It's not a sentence because it does not make complete sense. It doesn't have any full stop in the end. So it's not a sentence. Number 2. I am good at reading. Yes, it's a sentence. Number 3. The crab ran away. Yes. Number 4. He is a. No. Number 5. Mama went to the shop. Yes. Now it's your turn. Complete the sentence. Number 1. My friend is. Very polite. Number 2. I can see a. Beautiful garden. Now it's your task. Make sentences by your own.